Hello friends, I'm Jill De Haan, the illustrator of the children's book, America the Beautiful. I'm delighted to share my visual interpretation of this classic poem that Catherine Lee Bates published in 1895 and was later set to music by organist Samuel A. Ward. You have probably heard this song during a sporting event or at your school. Join me as we read, listen, and draw together, exploring the people and places that make America beautiful. Grab your art supplies and create the iconic image of the Statue of Liberty with me. I'm going to read America the Beautiful by Catherine Lee Bates, illustrated by me, Jill De Haan. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crowned thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. O beautiful for pilgrim feet, whose stern, impassioned stress a thoroughfare for freedom beat across the wilderness. America, America, God mend thine every flaw, confirm thy soul in self-control, thy liberty in law. O beautiful for heroes proved in liberating strife, who more than self their country loved and mercy more than life. America, America, may God thy gold refine, till all success be nobleness and every gain divine. O beautiful for patriot dream that sees beyond the years, thine alabaster cities gleam, undimmed by human tears. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crowned thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Thank you for joining me for today's read-along, draw-along program. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other Crayola learning videos that help put your imagination in action.